Hey guys, this is Karthikeya. I'm back with my another podcast page. In this page, I gave the podcast on Puri Jagannath, TEDx Talks, Sadhguru, and some on-purpose episodes. Coming to the website advertising, these are the carousels. If I click on a particular carousel, it will show the episodes related to that carousel. And bottom to these all episodes, I'm having a back button also. In the similar way, I'm having this Puri Jagannath podcast page and TEDx Talks podcast page. In each and every page, I'm having 4 episodes of videos. In similar way, Sadhguru is also like this. To get the output like this, the code which I have written is coming to the coding part. I gave the div element. In that, I gave the ID for the page, ID for this home page. First of all, in this home page, we are having different layouts. I have a background image with nearly 30 to 40% of the viewport height. Over that, I'm having a carousel. Bottom Coming to the bottom section, I'm having a white color background with a picture heading and a para. In the similar way, I'm having 4 such layouts, such as image of Puri Jagannath, heading of the Puri Jagannath, and 4 episodes. In the similar way, I'm having for TEDx Talks, Sadhguru, and on purpose also. Coming to the code for that, I gave the another div container element, and I gave this name. I gave the selector name as main page main image. Main page main image in the sense this thing, this background image. I gave the CSS rules and properties like this. Main page main image like this. And coming to the carousel part. In this carousel part, this is the carousel for the first image. This is the link for the carousel of first image. This is for the second image, and this is for the third image. This one. And coming to the classes, I added another selector. That means I need that image to be in this particular length and particular width it should be there. That is why I added the selector named as carousel one images main image. That's the selector name, and this is the rules that I have written for that. But yeah, this is the rules that I have written for that. So that I gave the same rule set for all the 3 images. Those Rex talks, Puri Jagannath and Sadhguru. I gave all those 3 images the same selector name with this rule set. Then I got an output with a background image of 30% viewport height, 30 to 40% viewport height, and over that I got this carousel, moving carousel. And next, I need to come to the bottom section. In this bottom section, I need a card with white color background. So I gave the selector named as main page card, and I gave the rule set like this. This is the rule set I've written for that with a background color of white and padding. And next to that, I need to get an image. So I gave the image with a source attribute and gave the image link over there. Next, I choose another container element because I want that heading and para to be wrapped in a single column. You say, yeah, I want that image, that para and heading to be wrapped in a single column. That is why I chose div element, and down to that, this Puri Jagannath heading is there, and next to that, 4 episodes. That para is there. In the similar way, I choose for the selector. I choose the selector name heading main page for Puri Jagannath for this heading also, and gave the rule set like this. Heading main page like this I give, and coming to the para episodes main page. That means here 4 episodes is there, no? That is why I choose the selector named as episodes main page. I gave the rule set like this. I got an output in the bottom section with a white color background, a Puri Jagannath image, and bottom to that Puri Jagannath name, and bottom to that I got 4 episodes. I want all these to be wrapped in a container. and I want all those to be in a column. That is why I choose here the bootstrap elements, deflex, flex row, justify content towards the center. The same code, this full same code, I pasted over here also. Similar way for two things. For two images, such as Puri Jagannath and TED Talks, I have done the same code. Bottom to that, I pasted the same code again two times again. See, here this is one time, that means total this is his third time. This is the fourth time. Again, I want these both also to be in a particular row. Here I choose the bootstrap elements again. That's it. That's it about the main page. Now we need to get into this detailed page or the episodes page of Puri Jagannath, Sadhguru, TEDx talks or whatever it may be. In this page also, I'm having a different layouts. In this, 30% of it is covered with blue color or whatever it is. Over that, I'm having a heading. I'm having an image. Besides that, I'm having a small heading or para or whatever it is, and a heading. And bottom to that, I'm having a para. Now coming to this detailed view, second page. In this second page, this is the second page. In this second page, I choose this ID as section podcast Puri Jagannath page, and bottom to that, I choose the card, this thing card, this card to be in particular color. Deflex row. I use these bootstrap elements because I want this image, this everything to be wrapped in a row. That's why I choose like that. And next, coming to this Puri Jagannath podcast, Puri Jagannath, and Puri Jagannath podcast. This is the thing I want to write. I gave this podcast with a HTML element para and Puri Jagannath podcast with a HTML element heading. And again Puri Jagannath podcast with a para. And I gave the selectness para one subpage, para one subpage. Because I want these both to be in the same way or same format. That is why I gave the same selector name. Coming to the rule set for that selector name, para one subpage. This is the rule set again. Next, coming to the heading, Puri Jagannath podcast heading. This is the selector name, main heading one subpage. So this is the thing I have written. Rule set. Then I got an output with this 30 to 40% whatever it may be viewport, and over that an image, a para heading, and a para again. Next, coming to the bottom section, I need another card. Another card in that, I want all those to be in a particular row. The same thing which the same code which I written here. I pasted the same code here also. Like that, I pasted for four times because I'm having four videos here. One, two, three, four. I pasted the code four times. One, two, three, and four. And bottom to that, I gave a button back because when I click this back button, I want the I want the display to show as home page. I want the home page display. That is why I gave the back button. And newly I used on click. Whereas when you want to get into a particular thing, we use this on click attribute. In the similar way, for getting this video like this, I use this bootstrap code again. Yeah, this is the bootstrap code I have written. Like this. That's it about this Puri Jagannath podcast page. Coming back to TEDx Talks page. The similar way, as it is in a similar way which I have written for the Puri Jagannath page, I have written for the TEDx Talks, Sadhguru page, and on purpose page also. Let's go to the detailed view of those pages. Yeah, closing this Puri Jagannath page. Coming to the detailed view of section podcast page, section TEDx podcast page. As you see, as it is, I have written the same code as I have written for the Puri Jagannath, the same code for the TEDx. And if I scroll down, you can see the same code for this Sadhguru page also. And bottom to that Sadhguru page, I have another on purpose page as well. Yeah, coming to this on purpose page, this one. The same code I have written. If we go into this detailed view, how I use this website, see, a video plays over there. That's it. In a similar way, these four videos can be played. Those four videos can be played. And if I click back, it will go back. And if I run the program again, and if I go to TEDx, I'll get the TEDx page. In this, there is some network issue, I guess. That is why this is coming late. Yeah. If I click on it, that episode will be running. In the same way, if we come back and go to Sadhguru's page, we will get the Sadhguru output. Like that. The four videos will be played. In the similar way with the on purpose videos also. Yeah, there is a network issue, that is why I'm getting these videos a bit late. Please don't mind it. And this is the thing with the on purpose page. This is the video output with the on purpose page. I mean episode for the on purpose page. That's it about the thing or about the podcast page I have designed. Thank you for watching. This is the Gate Transformation after joining the CCBP